Okay, now we have our oats into the peanut butter cookies. It's all mixed up, and we're getting ready to tray it up now. We have some sheet tray here. This is a full-size sheet tray. This is going to be enough for get, depending on how big you make them, anywhere from 15 to 17 cookies. And we also have a ice cream scoop. Uh, it's good to use an ice cream scoop so that we have uniform cookies. You can have the same size each time. This is about an equivalent of a half a cup of scoop, half a cup scoop. You can make them as big or as small as you want. It doesn't just depends on how many calories you want them. I guess you can, if you want to do a little bit lighter calories, you can make a little bit smaller cookies, or if you want to really have real nice big size ones, you can use a bigger size scoop. And then we also have, this is called parchment paper. You could also use wax paper in your house if you want, or you could just use a pan spray if you needed to. If as a last resort, I really don't like to use this because it adds a little bit of flavor to it that you wouldn't really. It's not really ideal flavor, I guess. But so you would use parchment paper or wax paper, put it on the sheet tray, and use a scooper, and you'd be all set.